And then finally, yun din, sa pleasure naman, the experience of sexual pleasure or the expression of sexual desire, and our cultural inability to understand consent.
Can you expound on that?
Yung consent kasi, in like a textbook way, when we look at it, it's yung pagpayag, pagpapahintulot na maging bahagi ng isang activity or isang relationship. In our culture, yung consent na pagpayag ng isang tao na may kinalaman sa relationship sa mga tao sa paligid nila, usually hindi natuturo sa atin. We're taught from a very young age to be deferential to people who are older than us or adults. And na dapat sumunod ka sa adult or sa nakakatanda kasi mas may alam sila kaysa sa'yo. Regardless of that, whether or not what that adult's actions might be, make you feel unsafe already. Hindi rin tayo natuturuan na i-acknowledge kailan natin nararamdaman yung takot at kaba, tas saan to galing. As signs na, wait lang, may nava-violate sa akin. So, because we're not able to grasp that, yung idea natin ng consent or ng pagpayag, napaka-superficial. Umuo ka naman eh. Or umuo ka sa simula, hindi ka naman nagsabi ng no. And then, dito na lahat ng gray area na parang just because you didn't say no doesn't mean you didn't say yes. Pero sa culture natin, just because you didn't say no already implies that you said yes. In fact, diba, sa mga conversations, especially when girls are taught or socialized to hide their sexual desire or even attraction, may kanta nga for this, di ba, yung Ewan. Na parang, ano yung sabi niya, parang, ewan ay oo rin naman. Na parang, it's in our culture to think that the gray area means affirmative consent. Or as in full on na, yes, I want to be with you. So, that is a difficulty for many people who actually really do want to say yes. And many people who want to say no.